Everyone, it's February 13th, day before Valentine's Day, and we got a major winter snowstorm. Reporting from Montreal, Canada. Everyone, it's February 13th, day before Valentine's Day, and we got a major winter snowstorm here in Montreal, and I'll show you. So I'm in our backyard right now. Woohoo! Okay. Let's see. This is the state of our backyard. I just finished shoveling. That's how much snow we got. Made a few pathways for the dogs. But this is our backyard. Here's another pathway. So I'm just walking and showing you how much snow we got. That's how thick it is. Powdery snow. Our backyard is really full of snow. Life in Canada. So to those of you who want to migrate to Canada, we're in Montreal, so this is gonna be your life, winter. So February 13, 2025, and it's still currently snowing. So, yes, this is our grill. Powdery. The best kind of snow is when it's still clean. Hello.
Hello.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's to my honey. Forever. Valentine.
Forever. Hello. We're not going out today because the restaurants are packed.
Oh, we're going out tomorrow.
We're going out tomorrow. Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Picking up our order. Going to Tiago's. Tiago's.
She said the guy didn't even get on.
Hi.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
All right. up dinner.
Dinner right now.
It's like 2 minutes away from our place. Valentine dinner.
Valentine dinner.
Me.
Right
Hold
on.
it.
We're just close to everything.
It smells so good. This is our front yard. Look how deep the snow. This is our temple. Look. Mountain of snow. Canada life. So we're having Portuguese, our favorite. Tiagos, roasted potatoes. And ooh, see the steam. Newly grilled with the piri piri sauce that's super spicy. Perfect. Bon appetit. Morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Sunny but cold. So where are we going, hon?
Somebody sa Fairview.
Go to Fairview to pick up Max and then the groceries. The usual routine. So happy weekend, everyone.
Sing
Max.
after winning.
Max is home for the weekend. On our way to Costco to do groceries. So let's see what's new at Costco.
I think I'll just go here.
Here. Hello everyone. So we're on our way to Costco. And let's see what's new at Costco. Max is home for the weekend. And I'm using my new Telfar. Thanks, Max. And thanks, Dad. Valentine's present for Mom. So, yes. Let's see. Look how thick the snow is. Insane. This is life in Montreal, guys. To those of you who would like to migrate to Montreal, this is your life. Winter time.
Stay in the Philippines.
Stay where you are and just
You'll
be
regret it
content.
after 3 years.
You'll regret it after 3 years. It's not fun. Not fun in the winter time. Because look, you will experience this. And there's another winter storm coming. Another snowstorm coming tomorrow. So yes, we are all so excited and really waiting patiently. And everyone's excited for the storm.
Excited for the storm?
Not. Oh, we're on our way to dinner.
In 500 meters,
We're
exit
going
to Boulevard St. Charles.
Taketa Japanese restaurant for dinner. Hopefully there's not a lot of people. Honey.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Waiting for our order. And are you full? So full. What can you say about the food?
Okay.
It was good. Happy Valentine's.
Like any other.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
So we're at Sushi Taketa. It was good and we're full. It was a good meal. Time for dessert. Another winter storm. Look at our stairs. Our neighbor is shoveling. And look how high the snow is. Can't see the baby deers. Look at the dogs going crazy. Okay, this is how high the snow is. Look at our backyard. Oh my gosh, it's too much. Ay! Han, I think grabe today. Parang mas marami today. It's insane.
With the rice?
You guys, huh?
What, did you make rice?
Yep, just rice. And because it's stormy, sinigang for the win. It's insane, guys. Look at Max. Where's Max? Max is shoveling snow. Oh my god, look at it. Nakapajama. Yeah, you're watching Max? Sobrang dami. Uy, ay naku, binubuhat maigi. There's so much. Oh my god. It's terrible. It's a snowstorm and I'm gonna film how my husband does the snowblower. Let's see. Look how much snow we got. Hi! Oh my god, this is our driveway. This is our driveway. And it's February 16, 2025. We got so much snow. It's insane. How crazy is that? We got so much snow. And this is the second snowstorm in a week. Still want to migrate to Canada? This is Canada. Oh, Canada.
Slow down, hold on tight now. It's okay to meet me at the front line. I've got cold feet.
Look how much snow we got. This is our street. And look how thick that is.
I was meant to meet you at your
Insane.
mom's
So now my husband's doing our walkway.
Apologize.
Look at that.
I got a pocket notebook, I'm nervous. Sometimes I run out of things to say, and it turns out
Oh my god.
cold, I don't care. We talk till the morning. I've got no sleep, 'cause you drive me wild. 'Cause I know one day we get out of happy house and wake you
Oh
up
my
from our drink,
God.
we're feeling worn out, and we just gotta keep on hanging on for now. So slow down, hold on tight now. Sunflower, you're the light of my life. I got a few days off, I can show you my good side. If you got the time, I can stay for a while before the sun goes down. Would you meet me in the sunlight?
Not so Wonderland. It's crazy. I'm taking shade.
Driving me wild, driving me wild.
We're getting ready to snowboard.